morning. Okay, so let me start from the point of the beginning of Parikrama. I'm not taking anything else into account. But otherwise, from Goa to Goa, this is going to be the bag with me for my other stuff. Denims, extra t-shirts, maybe alcohol for Kathmandu, and this backpack, which is a 50-liter backpack with a rain cover. So the moment we reach Darchen before Parikrama, we have to offload things which are unwanted for those 4 days into this bag, and this bag is going to remain at Darchen. So when I'm getting ready for Parikrama, let's go head to toe. This is the cap I'm going to have. This is the neck warmer. So which is going to be on myself, so it is not going to go into the backpack, so I'll just keep it aside. Then maybe this one as an option, the headgear, if it gets too cold. So this has to go into the backpack, I'm keeping it here. Then we have got this, again a kind of a neck warmer, which will be on myself. Then I've got my t-shirt, which is a dry fit t-shirt, and my inners, top, bottom. Then my trekking pants, which of course is half here. I've detached the zipper, so that full trekking trouser, and the down jacket or the fleece jacket, whichever you are comfortable wearing. The other one will go in the backpack, so I'll assume this goes in the backpack. This goes on myself. Then these inner gloves, which are of cloth, which will always be on yourself. Glasses, the stick, which I don't have, but could be an option. Then the outer jacket, supposedly the waterproof. So, but we'll keep optional space for this in the backpack, because if it gets a bit hot, then you can remove this, and if you remove this, then you'll need space in the backpack. So I assume we'll put this in the backpack. Stays here. The outer gloves, same story. I'll keep space in the backpack. If required, we wear it. Cloth ones are required always. The poncho needs to be, and these three are to be very accessible in your backpack. The outer jacket, the gloves, and the poncho. If it starts pouring or if it gets too chilled, you need to just pick it up from top, so it stays on top. So this is how I'm going to look when I'm going to trek with all this on, not like this though. So now let's see what goes inside the backpack. Inside the backpack, again we'll go head to toe. An optional cap with this flowing out, which goes inside, which need not be handy. Then this one, as I said. Then we've got 3 to 4 days, so I've got about 3 to 4 dry fit t-shirts. An optional set of inners, just in case it gets wet or whatever. Additional trekking pant. So where are we? Yes, pretty much covered. Your fleece jacket, because you're wearing the down jacket. Your loafers, your sandals packed in a plastic bag. This you could wear when you reach the dormitory or monastery, wherever we stay. You could change from your boots into these woolen socks and wear these. And when you get into your sleeping bag, you need this, absolutely. A balaclava while sleeping, a monkey cap. Air pillow, you blow into it, just in case somebody needs it. The sleeping bag, towel, napkin, a plastic cover. Now this is a necessity to put your visa passport, rain waterproof. Wipes, necessity because 4 days, no water, no shower. So this is required. Absorb powder, body spray, hand wash, sunscreen, all that goes into a pack like this. Don't carry an additional pouch which will increase the weight. Most important, your hydration bladder. Couple of plastic bags to carry soil clothes. If people have got this tent lights, just in case in the room. Headlamps, absolute necessity to go to the toilets at night. Maybe a couple of these USB cables just in case. Charger. A lock is preferred in case our porters carry our backpack ahead. Maybe we could just put a lock. We don't know. Swiss knife, bigger knife in case somebody wants to do masti. Compass, which I will carry anyways. So this is what goes into the backpack. Now I'm going to try packing it.